Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So for today's video I have created this soft khaki golden smoky eyes for you guys, and as always it is really easy to achieve. And before I forget, these earrings and the top is from H&M. So then yeah, so if you guys want to know how to create this look, then please continue watching. I actually started with my eye makeup first, but then I was not liking it. I just couldn't come up with anything, तो मैंने सोचा कि let's start with my skin first and फिर बाद में देखते हैं eye makeup में क्या करना है. So let's begin. As always, I'm going to prime my skin. Today I'm using SMASHBOX, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. ये again ये sample है, तो use करना है तो use करते हैं. I think this is one of their best selling primers. Okay. You can see. Feels so good. I'm loving the texture. It is so good. Loving the texture. Very nice, very smooth. I'm going to today go in with my Maybelline's Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I'm going to mix these two shades as always. So this one is in the shade 310 Sun Beige, and this one is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I will be mixing my Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. This one is in the shade Sunlight. So 2 pumps of 310 Sun Beige, 1 pump of 220 Natural Beige, and 1 drop of Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. Oh, that became 2. And this is my e.l.f. sponge, guys. I absolutely love it. So on my under eyes and on the highest points of my face, I will be going in with my JOUER's Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. This one is in the shade Honey. Let's set this concealer now. So I'm today using my K Beauty's HD Setting Loose Powder. This one is in the shade Banana. Why? I think in person I'm looking a little more warm as compared to on camera. I don't know if the camera is being able to pick up that. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with K Beauty's Matte Compact. This one is in the shade 130N Medium, which is currently my favorite compact. You guys know that I love my NYX HD Powder Foundation, but this one is also really good. Today I'm using my very old MAC 182 brush. To bronze my face today, I will be going in with Take Home the Bronze Bronzer. This one is in the shade Thomas. Okay, this brush is Real Techniques Multitask Brush. For my blush today, I will be going in with K Beauty's Matte Blush. This one is in the shade Dusty Rose. This is my Morphe's E4 brush. Always tap off the excess. आज मैं अपने हाइलाइटर के लिए वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल हाइलाइटर्स अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ और वो है अनास्तासिया का अमरेजी हाइलाइटर। इट इज सो गॉर्जियस। अभी अनफॉर्चुनेटली मिलता नहीं है, लिमिटेड एडिशन था, बट आप कौन सा भी हाइलाइटर यूज कर सकते हैं। देयर आर सो मेनी हाइलाइटर्स ऑन द मार्केट। सो या सिंस ये अनास्तासिया का हाइलाइटर है, मैंने सोचा इस हाइलाइटर को मैं अनास्तासिया के ब्रश से अप्लाई करूँगी। सो आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस हाइलाइटर विद माई अनास्तासिया A23 ब्रश, या हाइलाइटर ब्रश उनका। It is so pretty, guys. Love the formula. The way it sits on the skin, it's just too beautiful. And look at that glow. So I'm just going to clean it up. Okay, so I'm going to bake now with my Laura Mercier's translucent loose powder. So guys, off camera I filled in my brows, blended the powder and finished left side of my eye makeup, and now let's get done with the right side. I've already primed my eyelid with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. So for my eye makeup today, I will be using the Tribe palette by JOUER. First I was going to use these two shadows, guys, but then I changed my mind. So first I will be going in with Ashanti, which is this one. It's a really beautiful khaki olive green eyeshadow, but it has that mustard undertone. So I'm going to take this shadow on my MAC 217 brush. So guys, I've decided अभी जो भी मैं brushes use करूँगी मैं आपको बताऊँगी, क्योंकि कुछ लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि मैंने कौन से brushes use किए हैं। So हमारा अशांति हमारे brush पर है। So I'm going to apply this shadow in my crease. ये आई शेडो को ब्लेंड करना थोड़ा सा एक टास्क है। व्हेन यू स्वॉच इट स्वॉचेस रियली स्मूथली, लेकिन आप जब अप्लाई करते हो थोड़ा सा ब्लेंडिंग में इशू होता है। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्लाइटली ब्लेंड दिस अपवर्ड्स, लाइक पुल अपवर्ड्स। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लीन द एजेस विथ माई जोईवा 228 क्रीज ब्रश। इट्स अ क्लीन ब्रश, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं है। Now I'm going to take this really beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. This one is called Chaga, I don't know how you pronounce it. So I'm going to apply it with my finger. It is so pretty. Like, how would you describe this color? It's very different. Like, obviously gold hai, lekin I don't know, it's so difficult for me to describe this color. Like, I see a bit of red in it, a bit of pink in it, and I'm applying it all over my lid, guys. Ab inner corner ke liye I always prefer using my pinky finger. I'm just going to blend it out a little. Again, I'm going to go in with Ashanti, just going to deepen my crease. Now I'm going to blend the edges with my bronzer. I'm taking my Real Techniques base shadow brush. थोड़ा सा ही लेना है। I'm going to reapply this shadow again. ये तो मेरे अभी एक्रिलिक जेल नेल्स नहीं है, इसलिए मैं इतना इजीली अप्लाई कर पा रही हूँ, वरना इट्स अ बिग टास्क जब आपके नेल्स ऑन हो और आपको इसे फिंगर से अप्लाई करना पड़े आई शेडो। ओके, लुक्स गुड। You know, I was so confused. I was like कि eyeliner अप्लाई करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, but then I was like, let's not apply. the eyeliner. Alright, so we are done with this much. On my bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with Ashanti. I'm just going to buff it. So to apply the shadow on my bottom lash line, I'm using PAX 165 brush. On my waterline, I'm going to apply ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner. This one is in the shade Charmer. For my mascara today, I'm going in with Maybelline's The Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. अगर आपको डर लगता है मस्कारा अप्लाई करने से कि आपका आई मेकअप खराब हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इससे कभी कभी खराब हो जाता है मेकअप, सो जस्ट लुक डाउन लाइक दिस, ओके, एंड अप्लाई. बिलीव मी, आपका आई मेकअप बिल्कुल भी खराब नहीं होगा. Now on my inner corner, I'm going to pop this color which is called Koro. Yeah, Koro, which is this one. And I'm going to apply Koro with my Max 275 brush. ये बहुत पहले से सेट में आया था, लाइक बहुत साल पहले. ये मुझे तब मिला था when I used to work मैक में. It's actually a good brush for inner corner highlight. पहले I was a bit skeptical कि पता नहीं कैसे apply करेगा, but it applied beautifully and you can see like my eyes are like boom, मस्त लग रहा है. Now I'll just quickly put on my falsies and I'll see you guys very soon. Lashes apply करके हो गए guys, and I'm wearing PAX eyelashes in number 53. You know that I absolutely love these lashes. And now I'm just going to quickly apply my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade medium, just under my eyes. You can see the difference. Let's move on to lips. So first I'm going to line my lips with ColourPop's Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF. And I'm going to fill in my lips with Rose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle. And on top of this lip color, I'm going to go in with ColourPop's Luxe Gloss. This one is in the shade Candy Kiss. Last but not least, I'm going to spray my Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist.